Hey guys, Ron here with Site Survey Pros. So I wanted to make this video for a couple of those of you who've been asking me about kind of our service, our offerings, because I had a couple of Zoom calls with you guys, Mohammed, Jim, and Terry out there. On our Zoom call, they were kind of wondering why is everything free? Well, the reason why everything is free is because we recently transitioned Site Survey Pros from being like our lead generation site. We get like about 200 calls, try and find contractors, but it was difficult for us to find subcontractors. So now we just converted Site Survey Pros to a directory listing. Now this directory listing is specifically made for data cabling contractors who specifically focus on like low voltage, Cat 5, Cat 6 structured cabling, fiber optics. And the second part is wireless site surveys. So as you know, this is my bread and butter. For our company, we do wireless site surveys, AIDC, barcode scanning. So we've also added, barcode scanner repair because, we get a lot of calls for that. But the two main features of this website is for network cabling, data cabling, and wireless site surveys. So what is free? Like I mentioned, the directory is free for now. Have more descriptions, more videos out there describing, it'll be a paid version later on. We also have a free Facebook group. So now what you can do, to add your listing, just click on the plus here. This shouldn't say plus 75, it should say plus add your listing. But anyways, you add your listing, very straightforward. Come over here. I'm going to go through this again quickly. Okay, so you click add your listing, put your, pretty straightforward, put your email, put your company name, the location. So for example, if you're in Toronto, put in Toronto, your city, your email where people want, where you want the email to go when people contact you. Your listing region is pretty self-explanatory. If you don't see your listing, email us. Right now, for Mohammed, like I mentioned, we're going to add India and we're going to put Hypersbad in there. So just be patient with that. Our staff is working on it. Then what you want to do, your listing category. Right now, we're just going to keep it to the 4 because, like I mentioned, wireless site surveys, network and data cabling are two most popular categories. And those are the industries that we serve. Now, hours of operation, you put that in, choose your cover image, and then for your gallery images, like I mentioned, put a photo of you, your staff, your cars, your offices, the type of work. You can load them. Maximum file size, it shows 128 megabits. Your description, this is key, guys. So like I mentioned on our Zoom call, what you want to do is go to Uber Suggest, and let's say you do Cat 5 cabling, right? Or Cat 6 cabling. That might be a keyword in your city that people are looking for. Right now I'm doing this example for Mohammed because he's out in India, but let's just change this to United States. Okay. So now Cat 6 cabling. Search volume 8,100. So the keywords that you might want to put, you could put Cat 6 cabling in Toronto, Cat 6 Ethernet cabling in Toronto, or Cat 6 network cabling company in Toronto. So this is where you want to put in your description. Make sure it makes sense. Don't kind of stuff the keywords because we might not approve it. But you can add a link, add your links, add your YouTube link, add your website link. Your website link will be here. You could add other properties that relate to your website, whether it's your blog, etc. Put in your phone number, URL to your video. That could be your YouTube video. And what this does, guys, it provides backlinks back to your company so you could rank better as well. Because in order to rank well in Google, it's all a matter of backlinks and content strategy. Now, backlink, this provides you backlinks. You could put 3 backlinks here. Now this is a directory site. You're going to have a link here that points back to your company with description and keywords based on Cat 6 cabling or wireless site surveys, and that helps you rank organically in Google without having to pay. Because this is free, guys. Like I mentioned, this is free. So for Mohammed and Terry, you guys were asking, well, why is it free? I'm like, this is because we've transitioned Site Survey Pro's website just recently, and then also with Site Survey Pros, we have a free Facebook group. The Facebook group is specifically dedicated for contractors and cabling companies. It's not for anyone else. So we all speak the same lingo: IP, fiber optics, Cat 6, structured cabling, wiring, etc. That's the group. I wanted to make it very specific. I wanted to share my knowledge of what's working in terms of ranking. So that's why I created these properties, so we could all learn from each other. And like I mentioned, like the course that I even have is free. It goes through like 2 main modules. But like I mentioned before, soon, we're going to have a paid course. Let me just go back here. So soon we're going to have a paid course eventually down the road. But, right now it's free. The directory is free. And to join our Facebook group, just go to over here, join Facebook group. That actually should be pointing to our Facebook group, but it's not. But if you go to our YouTube channel, so if you go to our YouTube channel, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. The YouTube channel is called Lead Generation on Autopilot, Site Survey Pros. So it's a private group. In order to get in, you have to put in your website information, your company, and then whether you do structured cabling or wireless site surveys. And like I mentioned, this group is specifically for cabling contractors, structured cabling, etc. It's not for anyone else that doesn't work in this industry. But anyways, it's free. It's for us to kind of collaborate and share ideas. And basically, I go through some videos of what's helping me rank our websites, get more leads on autopilot. And that's, when I say autopilots, whether it's LinkedIn, YouTube, SEO, etc. And I teach you all this on like how to use virtual assistants to generate all these leads automatically, how to hire them, what to pay them, where to find them, etc. So anyways, that's what it's about. And like I mentioned, just add your site to our directory. I want to keep it short, and that's it. So anyways, any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll speak to you guys soon.